In this moment, I take a deep breath and I remind myself and the whole world of the truth of reality. For what I know is that there is one infinite creator, one boundless love that holds and sustains all life. This presence moves through each of us, filling our hearts, guiding our minds, and speaking through our words. We are inseparable, forever connected, unified in this divine essence that breathes through every being, regardless of our backgrounds, beliefs, or perspectives. We are all beloved expressions of this one source. Today, I affirm the power of our words, knowing that as we speak, we create. Our words hold the power to bless, to heal, to uplift, and to transform. In this moment, I declare a collective intention, an awakening to the reality that our words be used with reverence and kindness, that they carry a vibration of peace, compassion, and understanding. May our conversations and prayers be infused with love, blessing each person we encounter and honoring their inherent divinity. I recognize that we are all called to love one another, to see past differences, and to remember our shared essence. We are united in spirit, bound by a higher truth that is beyond any temporary division. I know that each of us is a channel for peace and understanding, letting our words be instruments of unity and healing. In this awareness, I release all judgment and embrace compassion. I know that through our prayers, blessings, and thoughtful actions, we contribute to a more harmonious world. I trust that our words and deeds serve the highest good, honoring the God being, the divine within us all. And so, it is with deep gratitude that I release this prayer into the law of creation and know that it is fulfilled. And so it is.